channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this awesome tote bag, and yes, it does have chips on it because I love snacks, and I thought this would be the perfect bag to take to like the drive-in or just anywhere so I can put my snacks in it. And this awesome print is at Joann. It's very large, but I love it. It'll fit all my snacks. I don't know about you guys, but I love my snacks. I cannot live without my snacks. So this is the perfect bag to take with me. And it is lined, so I'm showing you how to make a lined tote bag, and you can make it any size you want, any material you want. So this is going to be a really fun tutorial, so I hope you guys are excited. Let's go ahead and get started. For this tote bag tutorial, I ended up getting the rest of the fabric on the bolt because it's just so cute. The straps, I got 2.5 yards. So it just depends how big you want your bag. So you can get as much material as you want. But for this one, I'm probably not going to use the full 2 yards, but it just depends on your measurements. So, and same thing with the straps. So I've decided to do my bag 18 inches wide and 23 inches tall. So those are my measurements for my bag. Now you should have 4 pieces total cut out for your bag, 1 liner, and then the outside of the tote bag. So now you're just going to pin both the sides of the bag together, and then you're going to pin the bottom and leave the top open. So the opening of the bag will stay open. You're not going to do anything with that yet. So you'll just do the same thing to each one. Okay, so now you should have 2 pieces that look like this. You'll turn them inside out. And what you're going to do is put the liner inside your bag, and you're going to put wrong sides together. You're going to insert it like this when you put it in, so you see the inside of the bag. The top of your bag should look like this now, and you're going to have your raw edges. It's going to take your material and you're going to turn it on the side that it's lined so you can hem it, and you're going to fold it once and then fold it again, and then you'll just pin all the way around the top of your bag. The next step of your bag is to get your straps ready, and mine measured 26 inches long, but you can make them as long as you want. And what I like to do for my bag is I will pin the top of the bag and then I'll put my strap on, so I can just hem it and pin the straps on at the same time. I take the strap and you're going to fold it this way and then pin it into place, and then you'll just sew it. Alright guys, so your tote bag is all finished, and it should look very similar to this. It's very large, but I love it because I can put all my snacks in it. And this is what the straps look like. So they're just folded under so they don't fray. And I know that there are a lot of tutorials out there for different tote bags. A lot of people do it differently, but this is just how I do it. So I wanted to show you guys how I do my tote bags, and I can show you different ways to do it if you guys are interested in that. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video today. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, comment, and subscribe.